In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Wix ads from your website. If you've been using Wix for your website, you might have noticed that their free plan includes ads on all your pages. It can be a bit distracting for your visitors and might make your site look less professional. So let's walk through the steps to get rid of those ads by upgrading to a premium plan. First, you'll need to log in to your Wix account, open your web browser, and head over to the Wix website. Enter your login credentials to access your dashboard. From here, everything you need is within a few clicks. Once you're logged in, navigate to the section labeled Premium Plans. This is typically found in your site's dashboard. Here, you'll be able to view all of the available options that Wix offers for upgrading your website. Remember, the free plan will always come with Wix branding and ads. So if you're looking to have a clean ad-free website, this upgrade is necessary. Now let's explore the premium plans. All the options from combo and above will remove Wix ads for you. The combo plan is particularly suitable if you're managing a small personal website. It's designed for those who are just starting out and want a professional look without the clutter of ads. If your website is set up for personal branding, a small business, or even as a freelancer